Good morning children. Today we will see our question answer. First one is take the right answer. Generally, which part of a plant grows into a seed? Options: root, stem and seed. From the seed, the plant grows into a new plant. How many seeds does the mango fruit have? 1, 2, many. The mango plant or the mango fruit have only one seed. Which of the following has a green stem? Mango, banana, guava. Banana is the answer because mango have woody stem but banana have the green stem. Which of the following is not needed by leaves to make food? Oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water is needed for the preparation of the food in the leaves because oxygen is the last product or the releasing product of the photosynthesis. Fruits are formed from leaves, seeds and flowers. From the flowers, the fruits are formed. The next question answer. Fill in the blanks with the right words from the bracket. The part of plant above the ground is called shoot. Under the ground is called the root. The wheat plant has fibrous root. Fibrous roots are found in grass. Carrot is a root that store food. Ginger is a root that store food. The next question answer. Write true or false against each statement. Some small roots grow out of the tap roots. It is true. Some stem grow underground. True. The leaf grows out of the root. False. The leaf grows out of the stem. The lowest surface of the leaf contains stomata. True. The petals of a flower attracts insect and birds. True, because it is colorful. So the birds and the insects get attract. Leaves produce nectar. False. Flower produce nectar. Draw the lines to match the following. Column A, column B. Seed grows into a new plant. Leaves prepare food for the plant. Branches carries food. Flowers produces fruit. Stem bears the different parts of the plant. Root absorbs water and minerals. Fruit protects the seed because inside the food there is seed. Find odd one out. Ginger, potato, tomato, onion. Ginger, potato, onion. These all are underground stem. But tomato not a underground stem. Carrot, turnip, peas, radish. Carrot, turnip, radish. These all are roots. But peas is a seed. Banana, apple, guava, wheat. Wheat is a seed. So, banana, apple, guava. These three are fruits. Wheat is a seed. So, this is different from these three. Corn, mango, barley, oat. Mango is a fruit. These all are seeds. Petals, midrib, stomata, vein. Midrib, stomata, vein. These three are the parts of the plant, parts of the leaves. But petal is the part of the flower. So this is different. Now we will go to the question answer. What is the difference between the root and the shoot of a plant? Root is the part under the soil and shoot is the part above the soil. State 2 function of roots. Roots hold the plant firmly in the ground. They absorb water and minerals from the ground. State 2 function of the stems. The stems helps the plant upright and erect. It carries food prepared by the leaves to all the parts of the plant. Why are leaves important for a plant? Leaves are important for a plant because it prepare food for the plant. State 2 function of flower. Flowers help the plant in reproduce or for the reproduction. They grow into fruits and from the fruit we get seed and from the seed we get new plants. That is why flowers are important in a plant. Children, you learn all the question answer. Thank you.